What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Apparently I make videos every 7 months now, but I'm finally back, and today we're going to be doing some more bass fishing and hopefully actually catch some fish today. I'm out here sitting on the brand new porch that I actually built yesterday and a little bit of today, which I'll show you guys in just a second. But we're going to really get out there and try to catch some bass today. It's a late Friday afternoon, or evening now, it's 6 o'clock. So hopefully we'll get out there by 7 and we'll be slaying some fish. So here is the new little fireplace area that your boy put in yesterday and today, and then we actually put up some more Floridian signs here to make it look more tropical. We got some new trees in as well, so yeah, well, I'll give you guys updates as I'm adding on to this, but this is what we have so far. Alright, well, I'm gonna go finish packing up my stuff. Hopefully you can't hear that chainsaw in the background, it's really loud. But I'm gonna go finish packing my stuff up, and we're gonna get out in the lake, and I will see you guys there. Alrighty, we have made it to our first spot of the day. Got a nice little edge here. Didn't catch anything last time I fished this spot, but we'll see if that changes today or not. Oh, great start. I already got some backlash. Love it. Okay, well, the first spot was an absolute bust. Did not catch anything kind of like I expected. So, I'm gonna head to the other side of this little pond right off of Tarpon Lake. In case you guys are wondering where I'm at John Chestnut Senior Park. It's over here in Tarpon Springs, Florida. If you guys ever have the chance to come fish here, I highly recommend it. A lot of these little ponds have pretty good sized bass in them, so I do recommend it. But today's bait setup, we are using the Yum baby bass with the paddle tail, and I got chatterbait with the Guggen, what is that? Okay, well, I forget the name of the Guggen baits, but I am using a Guggen bait on there. But we have made it to our next spot, the other side of the little pond here, and I actually caught a couple fish over here last time I was here, so hopefully we can get into some fish. Alright, so basically I was fishing for about 45 minutes over at this little pond, and I could not catch anything. So we're going to head to the other side of the park at the boat docks. Alright, we got our first fish here, but I am stuck in the weeds. Alright, nice one here. All right. Nice, I don't know, maybe a 2-pounder. Nice little guy. Yeah. Toss him back. All right, we got our second one of the day. I'm gonna keep fishing here for a little bit longer. So I've caught the last 2 fish right in this little crevice right here by this tree that actually fell down over the water, which is perfect for bass. So I thought I'd throw out there. So I think I'm gonna stick with this spot for the rest of the night. All right, well, I'm gonna hop up on top of this this dead tree here, see if I can make a few casts from up here. Alrighty guys, so the sun is setting, so we're gonna go ahead and head out. I don't know what much more I'm gonna put in this video, if I'm gonna do an update or not, but we're heading back to the car and we're gonna head home, and we'll talk to you guys when we get there. Alright guys, just got home and I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I will be making an update video of kind of where I've been for the last 7 months, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. But everybody, I hope you have a great day. Stay healthy, stay safe. Please don't catch corona, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out, y'all.